Welcome to 5 Best. Vancouver is a beautiful city located on the west coast of Canada. It's a bustling metropolitan area surrounded by mountains, forests, and beaches. With its diverse cultural heritage, vibrant neighborhoods, and stunning natural beauty, Vancouver offers visitors a wealth of experiences to enjoy. So, without further ado, let's dive into the top 5 things to do in Vancouver. Number 1 on our list is Stanley Park. Stanley Park is a 1,000-acre park located in downtown Vancouver. It's home to a variety of attractions, including the Vancouver Aquarium, the seawall, and several beaches. Stanley Park is a great place to spend the day, whether you're walking, cycling, or just relaxing on the beach. One of the highlights of Stanley Park is the seawall, a 10-kilometer pathway that circles the park and provides stunning views of the city, the mountains, and the ocean. Stanley Park is truly a must-visit attraction when you're in Vancouver. Number 2 on our list is Granville Island. Granville Island is a small peninsula located across False Creek from downtown Vancouver. It's home to a bustling public market, artisan studios, and a variety of restaurants and shops. Granville Island is a great place to spend an afternoon, sampling the local food, browsing the shops, and enjoying the atmosphere. The highlight of Granville Island is the public market, which offers a wide variety of local produce, meats, cheeses, and baked goods. If you're looking for a unique shopping experience, Granville Island is the place to go. Number 3 on our list is the Capilano Suspension Bridge. The Capilano Suspension Bridge is a pedestrian bridge that stretches 140 meters across the Capilano River in North Vancouver. It's one of the most popular tourist attractions in Vancouver, attracting over 1 million visitors each year. Walking across the bridge can be a thrilling experience as it sways and bounces with the movement of people walking across it. The Capilano Suspension Bridge also features a variety of other attractions, including a cliff walk, treetop adventures, and a cultural center. If you're looking for an adrenaline rush, the Capilano Suspension Bridge is definitely worth a visit. Number 4 on our updated list is the Vancouver Art Gallery. The Vancouver Art Gallery is located in downtown Vancouver and is home to a permanent collection of over 11,000 works of art, including pieces by renowned Canadian artists such as Emily Carr and the Group of Seven. The gallery also hosts a variety of temporary exhibits throughout the year, showcasing a diverse range of art from around the world. The Vancouver Art Gallery is a must-visit destination for art lovers visiting Vancouver, and it offers a unique and enriching cultural experience. Number 5 on our list is Grouse Mountain. Grouse Mountain is located in North Vancouver and it's a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts. The mountain offers a variety of activities, including hiking, skiing, and snowboarding. In the summer months, you can take a gondola ride to the top of the mountain and enjoy stunning views of the city and the surrounding mountains. In the winter months, you can hit the slopes and enjoy some of the best skiing and snowboarding in the region. Grouse Mountain is a great place to escape the city and experience the natural beauty of Vancouver's mountains. So there you have it, folks, the top 5 things to do in Vancouver. Whether you're a local or a tourist, Vancouver has something for everyone. From the stunning beauty of Stanley Park to the adrenaline rush of the Capilano Suspension Bridge, there's no shortage of things to do. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.